southern Lewis County in central New York, Cuyahoga County in central New York, southern Oswego County in central New York, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Jordan, or 7 miles southwest of Baldwinsville, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Volney, Fulton, Turin, Redfield, South Hannibal, Amboy Center, Grieg, Middleville, Martinsburg, and Central Square. This includes Interstate 81 between exits 32 and 34. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Buffalo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for